Hello everyone! Welcome to our complete Parts of Speech course. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the full series for the best learning experience. You'll find all the links in the description. This is part 2, Nouns Explained with easy examples. In this lesson, you will learn what nouns are, the 4 main types of nouns, very simple examples, how to find nouns in sentences. Nouns are very important parts of speech. Every English sentence needs a noun somewhere. So, if you understand nouns well, your grammar and your language skills become much stronger. Let's begin. What is a noun? A noun is a name. It names a person, a place, a thing, an animal, an idea. Again, a person, a place, a thing, an animal, an idea. Examples: Ali, teacher, girl, people, city, school, park, places, book, phone, car, things, cat, dog, bird, animals, love, happiness, fear, ideas. Simple definition. A noun is a word that gives a name. Let's make an example. Ali has a car. The dog is in the park. Happiness is important. 4 main types of nouns. Let's look at the 4 most common types of nouns explained simply. Number 1, common nouns, general names. These are not specific names. For example, boy, city, teacher, car, country. The teacher is in the classroom. Number 2, proper nouns, specific names. These nouns are the names of people, places, brains, and they always begin with a capital letter. For example, Ali, Sarah, London, Pakistan, Coca-Cola, Belarus, Monday. Sentences. Ali lives in Dubai. Today is Monday. Next is concrete nouns. They show things that you can see or touch. For example, table, apple, dog. These things you can see or touch. Let's make a sentence. I want an apple. The dog is barking. Sometimes nouns express ideas or feelings. You cannot see or touch them. Such nouns are called abstract nouns. For example, love, happiness, fear, honesty, freedom. Let's make a sentence or 2. Honesty is important. Find the noun in the following sentences. Let's practice. I will say a sentence and you find the nouns. Attention. Sentence 1. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Nouns are cat and sofa. Sentence number 2. My brother lives in Paris. Nouns are brother and Paris. Sentence 3. Children need love. Nouns are children and love. Great job! Why nouns are important? Nouns help you talk about people and places. They describe things. They express feelings. They build complete and full sentences. Every sentence in English needs a noun. So, understanding nouns is extremely important for improving your grammar. So, to summarize, today we learned that a noun is a name. There are 4 main types of nouns: common, proper, concrete, and abstract. Please write these types in the comments below. Nouns can be people, places, things, animals, or ideas. Can you make a sentence of your own with each of them? Please. Great work! If this lesson helped you, like and subscribe for the full course. Next lesson will be part 3, pronouns. Don't miss it. See you.